Hey, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and are you ready for an epic unboxing? Yes, this unboxing is inspired by hashtag Sparkle All the Way 2025. However, if you're watching this after that time period, please still stay tuned. Oh my gosh. So, Enablers Outpost, is our canvas sponsor for this event, and I ordered this box, right? So those of you out there who are wondering which of the three featured canvases I chose off of Enablers Outpost, looky, whoops, wrong way. Looky at their site. Check it out. They have some fabulous paintings. And if you are still current, there is a 15% off code, which is Sparkle All the Way 2025. Absolutely go check it out. Anyway, what did I grab? I grabbed an Emma Casey. Yes, I do not have one of these yet. I can't wait to explore her fabulous artwork under the wonderful, watchful eye of Elizabeth and Edward over on Enablers Outpost. They truly are enablers. So we're going to dive into this. Let's see what we've got. Fabulous. Now, what I love is if you are she is working on drop ships, so you can order and not have to worry about any of the extra fees and different things like that if you are outside the United States. You get your canvas. Now, she does have a no tools where she sends it out because all of us have, you know, our favorite tools, our trays, our pens, different things like that. But if you are new to diamond painting, there is an option where you can select to receive a tool kit. So this unboxing has no toolkit. The reason being is I have way too many tools for my own good. Look at all these trays right here. And I probably have like 100 more hiding somewhere. So I chose to stick with the default of no tools. You're going to get this beautiful packaging. This comes with, look at this, 3 ABs, 3 crystals, and I think that means like a fairy dust, or let's just call it an Enablers Outpost dust. So we're going to dive in and see what these are when I flip the camera around in just a minute. But crinkle, it's Christmas time. All right. So what I love is you get this little kit right here. So this shows you what you're painting. It shows you that this is a 50 by 50. Now, if you want to make a photocopy of this, or if you want to cut it apart, you can create these as stickers for your storage up. However, they have them all in baggies. Now, what's so fun is the actual baggies show Enablers Outpost. Excuse me. That it's a 50 by 50. It's a square, and this is color 1 with DMC code 155. Look at that purple. Woo! Absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to look at the colors in a little bit more detail, but you have your inventory sheet right here. All right, so let's unroll the magic. Look at her. She's like, I am the winter dragon. Now, surprise! You might have thought, I don't want to create stickers. That's okay. Elizabeth and Edward heard you. They can listen to the future, and they supplied a sticker sheet because they heard you yelling at the camera. Jennifer, we want our own stickers. So here's your sticker sheet. This is 58 colors for Winter Dragon by Emma Casey. You can put this in your journal with your start and end date. It shows you that it's square. Artist Emma Casey from Enablers Outpost. Absolutely gorgeous. And then if you want, you can cut out the wonderful Elizabeth and Edward up here. Look at the happy couple. Right? Okay, so here are all the colors. Out of, think about it, 58 colors, there are 2, 4, 6, 8 specials. So well over 10% of your painting is going to be a special. Now let's keep unrolling. Let's keep going and seeing if any more surprises fall out. Look at this rendering. Isn't this rendering absolutely adorable? I cannot wait to start on this painting and this rendering. This is the fabric canvas right here. It is also not double-sided. It's poured glue. So you are going to be able to have plenty of sticky without the issues of rivers and all of the fun stuff, popping up of drills, different things like that. But also the fun part about poured glue is you can roll it backwards, because storage of these, once you have drills on, if you're not going to hang it up, you can store them, but you need to roll them from this way so that your drills do not pop off. Now that might be counterintuitive, but if you roll it inwardly, your drills are going to crush themselves. But if you roll it out, it expands the space so your drills will not pop off. But look how beautiful that is. Okay, so I'm going to turn the camera right now, and we're going to check out the drills. We're going to check out the symbols and how clear they are and all the fun stuff. Forgive the backdrop. My son's having fun with his construction truck. So let's turn the camera around. I'll see you in just a sec.